What are you doing?
Driving my truck.
That's your truck?
Yeah.
Where is your engine?
See it right here, so. See them here, so it's.
What?
See them here, so.
That's the engine?
Yeah. But I can't do it inside. I'm a truck.
Oh yeah, they're sleeping in your truck?
Yeah. Tonight.
You're sleeping in your truck tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Last week, right? Yeah, so. See them place and not moving.
You're not moving?
No.
You're camping out here tonight?
Yes.
Okay. What if it rains?
It doesn't matter. We have shelter.
You have shelter?
Yeah.
Yeah, they camp out on the construction site?
Yeah. Till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow?
Yeah.
So how are you going to do your homework?
It doesn't really matter.
It doesn't really matter?
Doesn't really matter.
That's not cool.
What?
You're supposed to do your homework.
And sweep out here.
I didn't tell you to sleep out here. Why aren't you looking at us? You're being creepy, dude. Okay, bye. Because you're not talking to your subscribers, so bye.
Hello. Hello.
You sound weird.
Hello. This is the bumble.
What?
The bumble.
What is that?
Over there.
The bamboo.
Yes. Where's me puppy? They ain't gone.
Where are the kitties?
Them in the bush, them a hide.
Hide from
The
what?
sun.
Oh, they don't like the sound of the shovel. You don't want your subscribers to do anything for you?
I want them to do something.
What do you want them to do?
Yeah, I can subscribe and click that bell.
Okay. Did you take your medicine?
I'm going to bed.
Is that why? Hey, mind your turnover, you know. Mind your turnover.
Okay.
Is that why you're so weird?
Yes.
Because you took your medicine?
And I have a headache because of the medicine.
Yeah, the medicine gave you a headache?
Yes.
So why are you outside?
Because I will get the fresh air and it will come out.
You getting some fresh air?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
I'm digging inside.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Wash out my truck.
Okay, sir.
Bye.